Hello, in this video we're gonna check which gestures and motions work on a lock screen for ZTE Blade A71. So to access gestures and motions, we'll need to go for our settings, enter features and gesture and motion. Here we can see all of them. Now let's check which of them work on a lock screen. 3-finger pinch for a screenshot. If we lock our device, wake it up and pinch our 3 fingers, it actually makes a screenshot of our lock screen, so that one works fine. Next one is raise to wake, and here if you enable it and pick up your phone when it's locked, it should wake your screen. It works fine. Auto answer, and here if you put your phone to your ear while there's a call incoming, it should answer the call. I can't show you this exactly, but it works fine on your lock screen. There's a pocket mode. If the phone is in your pocket and it's not in a silent mode, it will vibrate and ring at a full volume when a call comes, and it works on a lock screen, obviously, as you all usually lock your phone when you put it in your pocket. Flip to mute. If you flip over your phone like this, it should mute all incoming calls. Works on a lock screen normally. And next one is snooze, dismiss, and alarm, and that works on the lock screen as well. If there's an alarm incoming, there's 2 options you can use it. You can tap your screen with 3 or more fingers to snooze the alarm, depending on the alarm snooze settings, or turn over your phone to dismiss the alarm. Make sure to enable any of the settings before actually try to use them. And change the earpiece. Put the phone up to your ear to turn off this speakerphone when you're in a call. So if there's a call incoming, you answer it, you put it on a speaker, but then you want to use just a phone home speaker and not the main one, you put it to your ear, and that kind of works on the lock screen, as you need to be in a call to make that happen. Touch disable mode. If you enable it, it should prevent your phone from unlocking and prevent all unwanted touches to your phone when it's in a pocket, and it works on a lock screen, obviously. Shake to turn on flashlight. This setting only works when your phone is locked, so obviously it works on the lock screen. And now we just need to shake our phone to enable, or shake it again to disable our flashlight. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.